What's up, it's Keith. I'm going to do a live quote with pricing to remove and replace a blood good Japanese maple tree in a densiforme yew. Here, this blood good Japanese maple needs to be removed and replaced, and $150 to take out the tree, $200 to grind the stump. Here, I got to get my little calculator out here. Grind the stump. We could probably yank it out, but I just want to make sure. I'd rather get it stump ground because I have to core it out to put a new tree in its place. So $150 to remove the tree plus $200 for the stump. We also have to replace that densiforme yew back there. This tree at the nursery could probably be $350 for the biggest one they have. So we're gonna say twice retail. So go $350 for the tree plus $350 to install it, plus $100 for transportation to go pick it up from the nursery. All that time, nursery is very far from here, plus an extra $50 for backfilling of the compost, amending the soil, putting in the Mike's transplant fertilizer, and 2 bags of black mulch. We're at $1,220. It's kind of expensive to remove, even though it's a little tree, kind of expensive to remove it and replace it. The densiforme yew needs to be ripped out and replaced. It's $30 to remove it, plus a new shrub. Those are $50 plus $50 to plant it, which is the twice retail is what I charge. And we're at $1,350. Okay, $1,350 for that so far. There's also a request that I guess there's a broken tree in the backyard. They want the whole tree taken down. So let's go check it out. I video quote all my quotes so I can refer to them. I can send them to my secretary and she can look at them if there's a bunch of details in there, and then she'll literally type the quote off of everything that I said. So it's a way to document everything. And I've also been able to go back several times if there was something I had to look up, and I can literally fast forward the video and go, oh, that was a lilac shrub. Okay, here we go. This is just the common Bradford pear tree split over. To remove this, I'd like to say 1,000, but what do you think? What do you think?
Oh, I get 2,000 for a hard day.
$1,000? I'll say $850. Fit all in one load.
And then you'll be like, no, that's definitely 3 loads, Kelvish. You're way undercharging. I get $3,000 a minute.
It doesn't matter what you say on social media. Somebody's always making more money, or somebody thinks you're crazy. Like, dude, I would never get that much money where I live. It's crazy how your mind and your perception is like it's a prism that changes how you, when you change the way you see things, the things you see change. So I'm gonna say that tree's $1,000. But it's like, I know that I won't get it if I say it's 1,000. They're gonna go $1,000 just to remove that. But I mean, how do you know? It all depends on what people value. This is driving me nuts because so many different people value things in so many different ways. It's almost like you're just rolling the dice and it's a numbers game. And the more quotes you do and the more numbers you put out, is the more times things will. Dude, it's legit 92 degrees out here. I need to calm down. If I can drive the truck right back there with the dump trailer, screw it, $1,000. Done, $1,000. All right, thanks for watching the video.